Good morning. We are in Ninh Binh, specifically in Tam Coc. It's a little town just outside of Ninh Binh. It's been a beautiful landscapes, also very nice people.
You might be wondering why we're climbing stairs again.
And why so early in the morning?
Yeah, it's about 6 a.m. and we're going to a viewpoint called Hang Mua.
Yeah.
And it's not much to do in Tam Coc. This is one of them. And I'm already exhausted.
Yeah. We didn't have the coffee morning.
Yep. Some people said that you should go really early if you want to avoid the crowds. There are already some people here because this town is packed with tourists.
Yeah.
Packed.
I see more tourists than locals here.
Yeah. Ooh, so let us do this exercise.
And see you on the top.
We are Christian and Emily, and we are couple nomads. This is our story of how we quit our jobs to travel the world.
We finally made it to top of the hill. It's a bit steep, yeah.
We have to stop a few times to catch our breath, but
Yeah, doesn't take too long, to be honest. Take like 15-20 minutes. Even though we stopped on the way a lot.
and we went to the other one first,
Yeah,
which is small.
the one that you see there.
The viewpoint cost 100,000 dong per person, which is about $4. And inside the parking area, a man will ask you to pay for bicycle parking. You can pay the very small amount of like 5,000 dongs, which is like 20 cents, to what seems to be like a tourist scam. But you can also park outside the area for free.
So now we're gonna head up to our hostel, have breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then this afternoon we're gonna do the boat. It's like a nice boat on the lake. Yeah,
Yeah.
Pretty
that's
cute,
where
yeah.
they recorded the movie King Kong.
King Kong. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it for later in the evening because it's very humid and hot. So we're planning to do it around 5-6 p.m. We're gonna show you later when we are there. So see you guys later.
One of the great things to do in Tam Coc is to rent bicycles. To rent a bike costs 50,000 dongs per person per day, which is only $2. The town itself is very small and you can cycle to most of the nearby activities. The viewpoint from this morning is 15 minutes by bike, and just a few minutes from the town you're surrounded by these beautiful landscapes. So at the end of the cycling road, there is this hotel or bungalows, and they have a restaurant, so we decided to stop for a beer and ice cream.
Yeah, I got the mochis, like a Japanese ice cream. Wow, so good.
And I'm eating mung beans flavor, something local, so let's try it. Nice. The boat trip that we mentioned this morning takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, and it's a good option for you to admire and do sightseeing of the natural caves. It almost feels like you're in Halong Bay but on land. I'm impressed by how the rower is often using his feet to row. The boat hire will cost you 150,000 dong or $6 for the boat, and then add 120,000 dong or $5 per person that goes in the boat. We stayed at Victoria Hotel, which cost 320,000 dong or $13 per night. It's located very conveniently in the middle of the town, just opposite where you take the boat activity and next to the bus station. You'll find the link to this hotel in the description below. To leave Ninh Binh and continue our journey south, we are taking a bus. We found out that the buses going to Phong Nha and Hue only departs in the evening, so keep that in mind when you're planning your trip here. Although Ninh Binh is stunning and chill place, we only stayed here for 2 nights, which is enough because you have a whole extra day waiting for the bus in the evening.
Okay guys, so this is all for today from Ninh Binh. In our next video we're gonna head up South Vietnam. Please, if you wanna continue following our journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you are updated every time we upload a video. And if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. So see you guys next time. Good vibes, take care, bye.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?